Okay, first flag of the war, and we have got attack boosts and nature tanks. Where are we? Change that. Now the troops look good. Quite a bit of firepower over there. So a bit worried. That is a green diamond I'm seeing, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, and a purple diamond. Wow, I think she might need some more emblems. Maybe we can bring a green in next to one of these dragon bombs and that'll get us Buddy as well. No such luck. Yeah, I wonder where that follow-up move is. Maybe it would pay to leave Fenrir alone. How many nature on the board? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's not enough to get Leanna going a second time. Well, this is all very inconvenient. Okay, so do this, take the nature, oh god, that got Fenrir just above the level to avoid his blinding. So set us up for another green. Okay, we'll have some of that again. How many dark is that? 3, 4, 5, and a ghost is 7. That's not enough. Like that. Nice. Okay, very nice. If we do this one first, we'll be able to pop that. Okay. Not exactly what I meant, but let's start that. Have that. Now that. Wasted tiles, but okay. Alrighty. grind Drake down now. Dink. Okay, that will do it. As you've probably noticed, we're visiting another alliance for this war. Well, not a great choice of targets left. Let's see what they want to do. Okay, second flag of the war, and we've got a Zoc tank here. So this is probably the easiest team we will come across at 45-38. Everyone's over 47. Still some danger to be had here. Get hit by some of these guys with a plus 48% attack bonus from Bold Tusk, and you will know about it. Troops. Good. Okay. It's not too healthy. Let's try some of this. If you haven't got over 50% money yourself, Zoc isn't quite so annoying. I think the biggest annoyance with him is being rogue class. I find that very annoying. Okay. So now I should probably try and wait and see who Zoc hits. I think that cascade is too good. Yellows into greens. Oh wow. Did not see that coming. Alright. Bada boom. Hit here and a hit here. So it looks like we are going to have at least one. So we are going to have to deal with Thorn. Try that. See if we can bring in a green maybe. Not going to take much to kill him, but I can't get an old colour tile underneath the guy. Okay, now we can get into that. What next? That one. Do I want the defense down first? So. Very well. Big combo there. Okay, well we've dealt with that starting board, and that's the two flags I like to burn off on the first night of the war, midweek war, and I'll use my last four in the last couple of hours of the war. So for now, that will do it. Okay, we are back with Attack Boost War, and this is really interestingly poised. They have used all their flags. You can see their score there, 6499. So 6500 for us to win. We have 16 flags, which should be plenty, except Father Priest has 6, and he appears to be one of these folks who join an alliance, start a war, and just go offline. So, joined, went inactive. That's 6 flags down. But we have a mathematical chance here. We need to get 10 kills with our 10 flags. And if we can do that, we will just sneak past. So, could be a really exciting finish here. See how long we can keep it alive for. Okay, stage 1 complete. This is our first one shot. Okay, so teammate Lyru Lineal has just come in and got 3 kills with 3 flags. So we are still in this. So now I need to try and get 4 one-shots with my 4 flags. Let's line them up. Okay, so here is my 3rd flag of the war. And we've got Sif and Black Knight over there, doing nothing but buffs. So Costume Sabina can be hugely powerful. As long as she's ready before Black Knight, then it's just amazing. So, fingers crossed that the snipers don't double tap one of my heroes, but I've got quite a lot of emblems along on this. Marjan has actually got the least. Okay, troops. Troops look good. Wasn't quite sure which way around to put the troops on the fire heroes. Okay, well that looks promising for having Sabina ready, doesn't it? Because we can have ourselves a purple diamond. So let's do that. Okay. Now what? Pop it. Try and manipulate things a bit. I'll try and make more moves on the right, since I've got the right counter to make them kind of useless. Do that one. Okay, so she's just about ready now. So I think we better take this, line up our first red match as well. Fortunately, we're not going to be able to get Gravemaker going on 6 tiles here. Should be wondering if we can get Kirill going in 9. He does have a level. He's got 23 buff on him, so I think that should be enough. Gravemaker's got a very large troop on him as well, actually. But I definitely don't want to use Sabina yet. I need Black Knight much closer to firing before I set that one off. So let's take that now. So I'm pretty sure that should charge Kirill. You just want a bit of a stalling move, I think. Wouldn't mind putting a lot of tiles into Black Knight, really. Righto, let's wait one more turn. Okay. So now we need to use Carol, I think, to get the attack down. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Is that right? Yeah, just Carol for now. Okay. Can we wait a turn? No, we can't because we really want to put the reds in. It's a shame that Soshat's going to make me lose some of this, the healing potential that is. Right, where to now? Good, Black Knight is going off at the perfect time for us. With 3 tiles, set her off. Might. So let's do that now. Now we take that. Marjana again, that's not very nice. Nice. Cool, got some more red tiles on the way. Oh, that's even better. That is lovely. Okay, gold. Let's go over here. Evaded. Can we just burn her? Quite. Oh, let's do it this way. Speed things up a bit. Goody, there's Soshat down. Just need to get the reds. Probably not even that. We could probably find a way to do this with tile damage. But here we go. Okay. We are still in it. Ooh. What's Zalberian been up to? He's taken 2 one-shots. Right, we are still in this. Okay, yeah, so teammates are delivering one-shots. And we've got Zabarin attacking now. So that's the final one of my teammates. That can be a one-shot. And I can get 3 one-shots. Yeah, then that's enough to just sneak past, if my calculations are correct. Okay, we are in it. Need 500 points with my 3 flags. It's about 200 for a kill. So if I do go one shot, then I could even perhaps get away with with doing a lot of damage on the last target. Right, let's line it up. Okay, here's the team I've chosen first. I'm going to go with the Holy team. Got a couple of cleansers here, and bring Richard for the attack down. Since Bold Tusk does an attack buff, we can hopefully calm down that left side a bit if we can't get the Holy tiles. We do want a ninja troop there, I think. Yes. Okay, troops look good. Fingers crossed. It's not much holy. Interesting. Okay, I'm going to try with that. See what we bring in. Not much holy brought in. None, in fact. Do I want to mess up my dark match? I don't want to, obviously, but I don't think it's that useful. There's not really enough other darks on the board, so let's try for this. Ooh, interesting. Okay. Okay, so if we play this right, we can get the dunes going. But I need to drop those holies together without losing any, so I can't form the blue dragon. I don't really want to set Zoc off, so let's just try and put the minimum number of tiles into him. Ooh, it's also good. But I think the purple match is better, so let's do that. Oh, yes. Okay. If you've got to get hit by him, that's not a bad time to get hit by him. Okay, so we've got a wizard, a fighter, just taking out Sartana looks pretty good, doesn't it? Beautiful. Oh, look at all that holy. So, let's aim for a kill over here. Beautiful. Okay, June's going anyway. Oh, even better. Okay. So you have hit one of my Junes. Let's try you out first. There's enough holding on the board that it doesn't matter terribly much. revives? No revives. Okay. We're still alive. We are still alive. Okay, 5th flag of the attack boost war. Here's the teams. This is very high emblems for me. And 3 5-star heroes. So, fingers crossed, we can take out someone nice and early. Yeah, I mean, Isrod's not the biggest hitter, so anyway, if we get him charged, it means that there's probably a lot of reds gone into Teleria already. Troops look good. Okay, that is not so nice. I didn't bring blue or holy. Wow, there's really not much happening there, is there? I'm going to start with this. Okay. Okay. Not upset with that. Take the purple, try and get a red diamond. What happens if I take the red? I'll still be stuck on 5. Let's go here. Ooh. Yeah, I'm taking forever to play this. Just trying to picture how these shape up into different purple moves. Not convinced this is right. So we take the reds, we can then line up another red match under tally, so it won't get us this rod. But if we do this, oh, we've got June coming, not bolt task, please. Okay, this is very precarious. Very, very delicately poised. Okay, I like this one because it sets me up a green as well. Oh, don't mana cut me. Okay, we definitely need that. We've got lots of reds on the right side, so if we can get elemental defense down over there, they're just going to evaporate. So Let's have this. Let's do both. $140. I think you might be enough there. Yep. It's going to do a little bit of damage to kill here at least. And give me some mana. Okay. Dink. Nice. Another one down. We have a choice of targets for the last flag. Okay, 6th and final flag of the war. And I believe 2 kills should probably be enough for a win here. I had a couple of dispelling healers left, Sabina and Melindor. And so this team could benefit from some dispelling. Krampus does make it really quite dangerous if he goes off. But even so, I think it's still the team I'm best matched to. Should have a bit more time with a Catalan tank. There was a lower team power team, but like the one I just fought. But I figured this was probably the way to go. Fingers crossed. You know, I really wouldn't have objected to a nice easy board. That I would not have been at all upset with that. But they're going to make me work for it. They're going to make me work. We've got a little bit of everything here, but not enough of any one thing. Let's start with that one. Not really a lot of combos going on here, is there? Just one match at a time, which is not so nice. Okay. Okay, there we go. We got Sabina. We got Reds into the tank. It's a bit early to be firing relative to Krampus. And I don't need it just yet because the tiles aren't affected by her special. It's getting a little tight now though, so let's do that. Let's do that. Oh, that's quite a good move in the end because Catalan's buff is then no longer a factor. Oh, I'm surprised Viv's still alive. Only one turn of that. So I can put 4 tiles into Krampus. And it mucks up my reds. Blimey, I've got a good chance just to go for some kills over here. So I'm going to do that. Nice. we actually want to go after the rogue? Maybe that wasn't such a good idea. Let's go here, see if we can get Sabina before Krampus. Beautiful. Okay. Dare I say it, we're looking fairly healthy here. Boom. Boom indeed. We are gold. We are golden. Gourmet for the win. Gourmet for the win. Oh yeah. That is what we play for. Wow. Winning on effectively our last flag. And the last flag of the war. Awesome. Well done, team. That's a fantastic effort. Really good one-shot rate. Really impressed. So well done to the folks at RTL2. Really enjoyed coming along and joining you for a war. Great result. Really fun. So thanks very much to the teammates. Thanks to the opponents and anyone else watching. I hope your wars went well. Let me know how you went in the comments. And that.